Hi, everyone. My name's Stanley Kavitko. I'm the founder and CEO of Cracked Screens. I'm willing to bet that we all know how this feels. And if you haven't experienced it yourself, then you know someone who has. Because Americans cracked over 50 million smartphone screens last year alone. That's almost two broken screens every second. And repairing those devices cost over $3.5 billion. I started Cracked Screens in 2012 when I was just 13 years old. Since then, we've organically grown sixfold in the last 2 years and are on track to generate 1.3 million in revenue this year. Operating as wholesale distributors of cell phone parts has provided me with a deep understanding of what repair shops need, along with businesses and other sectors of the industry. And while it's been a rewarding business for me as a full-time student, I want to take the knowledge and industry connections and pursue an even bigger opportunity with the Crack Screens app, a B2C and B2B platform for the mobile device industry. Our app is currently live on the App Store, where thousands of people are using it to enhance their battery life, preserve storage space, and run automated diagnostic tests. Because unlike the competition, we offer users all these features and more, and it's all entirely free. Because our secret is drop detection. Unlike anything on the App Store, the Crack Screens app can detect when users drop their device and automatically push a pop-up notification straight to the screen. We know that when somebody drops their device, the very first thing they'll do when they pick it up is look directly at the screen. So if it was cracked, we'll send them to a local repair shop to get it fixed. And if it's a lighter drop, then there's no better time for us to advertise a protective accessory, such as a phone case or a screen protector, or even an insurance plan. Now, each of those repair shops is paying us a monthly subscription to be part of our referral network. And on the back end, we connect them with other vendors in the supply chain, like parts suppliers and LCD recyclers. And we take a percentage of each transaction, all without having to handle the product or process the payment. And the best part is, we don't actually need users to download our consumer application. Through our SDK partnerships, we can give developers a new way to monetize their apps and bring millions of users to our platform, all without requiring an additional app download.